Sawadika Universe, and today's video we had a head-to-head challenge between the two strongest contenders for this year's Miss Universe 2025 pageant. Here are Miss Universe Cote d'Ivoire and Miss Universe Thailand. Miss Universe Thailand, Vienna Pavinar Singh. Vienna Pavinar Singh. She's 29 years old. She was born April 1996. She is 5 feet and 10 inches tall. Before winning, she competed at Miss Universe Thailand 3 times in 2018, 2020, and 2023. When I studied at Thammasat University in Bangkok, receiving her bachelor's degree in liberal studies. In the year 2018, she represented her home province of Chiang Mai, and she ended up as a second runner-up. In 2020, she competed again, held in True Icon Hall of Icon Siam. She ended up as a first runner-up. In 2023, she represented Phuket. She was the first married contestant to compete for the title. The Miss Universe organization changed the rules to allow married women to compete. She ended up second runner-up. In 2025, she won for Saraburi at Miss Universe Thailand 2025. This time, she won as Miss Universe Thailand 2025. Miss Universe Cote d'Ivoire, Olivia Yassi.
Sawadika Universe, True Olivia Yassi Naka, Miss Universe Cote d'Ivoire.
Olivia Yassi. She's 27 years old. She's 6 feet and 1 inch tall. She holds a degree in marketing and management from Widener University. She is an ambassador for tourism in Cote d'Ivoire. Former Miss World second runner-up and Miss World Africa, Olivia Yassi is now Miss Universe Cote d'Ivoire 2025. From conquering global stage in Puerto Rico to carrying the hopes of Cote d'Ivoire at the Miss Universe pageant, Olivia Yassi's journey is one of the grit, elegance, and ambition. Her appointment re-energized national support. Many media outlets in Africa and beyond held it as a moment of national pride. The road to Miss Universe differs somewhat from Miss World. Different judging criteria demands the stage presence, interview skills, extension beyond beauty with a purpose format, an emphasis of charisma, confidence, and advocacy. She will now represent Cote d'Ivoire at the 74th Miss Universe competition this November in Thailand. Who do you think will win the crown? Let us know in comment below.